This video is a research video on how to brush your teeth. Factoid: it's more important to brush your gums than it is to brush your teeth. I'm Rebecca Brand, and I researched this subject because I raised 3 kids. You and your family are going to have your teeth, hopefully, your whole life long. And I thought it valuable to make a YouTube video on how to brush your teeth that's entertaining, fun, but gives you the most important information so you do it right. My girlfriend Sheila has beautiful teeth and healthy gums. Modern science has come up with sonic toothbrushes, and that's just a much more efficient way of brushing your teeth, light years better than using the old-fashioned toothbrushes, which can harm your mouth because the bristles are stiff. They can damage your gums. And there's no way you can do 1,000 rotations a second like these toothbrushes can. I researched the internet and I found Dental Duty Sonic Electric Toothbrush. I contacted them and they sent me the toothbrushes so I could use it for this video. Here are the steps I researched to brush your teeth the very best way. Using the term brush your teeth is a very general term because what you really want to do is brush your gums. Your gums are the most critical part to brush because if you lose your gums, the bones will be exposed and the roots will be exposed, and that makes you lose your teeth later in life. Your sonic toothbrush should be 50% on your teeth and 50% on your gums. The bristles of Dental Duty's toothbrush are really soft, so they're not going to damage, but they have enough friction power to pull up the leftover food in your mouth. The sugars in those food are what will decay your teeth, but you will lose your teeth if you don't brush your gums. With this toothbrush by Dental Duty, there are 5 different settings, and one of them is the massage setting for your gums. You should spend at least 1 minute massaging all of your gums, and that means lifting your lip up to get the top of your gums, pulling your bottom lip down to get the bottom of your gums, inside and outside of your teeth line. When you go into the interior of your gums, make sure you stick your tongue out or get it out of the way, and go all the way to the back of your mouth and get behind those teeth on those gums. Within 2 weeks, by using that feature of Dental Duty toothbrush, you're not going to have bleeding of your gums. You will have healthy gums. Put your toothbrush on the clean setting. You need to brush each tooth for 2 seconds each. There are 40,000 sonic vibrations in every minute of the Dental Duty sonic toothbrush. So brush your teeth the best way and quickly is the goal. And Dental Duty sonic brush has a timer involved, so every 30 seconds you're notified. And after 2 minutes, you're out. That's great because you have other things to do in your life. And if you have a sensitive tooth, one that needs some care, or maybe you have to get to the dentist, there's a sensitive setting that's very tender on your teeth. There's a white setting, so you can use it on the top teeth, the teeth of your smile, to whiten them faster. And in 2 weeks, you'll see those results too. And a polish setting for extra polishing factor for those white teeth. Here's the sound it makes. That's a 40,000 sonic vibration per minute sound. So to brush your teeth, you just need a little bit of toothpaste. That's it. Check out how Sheila's brushing her teeth. This is the researched way. I'm trying to make a quick video here so you get it all quickly, but don't forget the most important parts. 2 are the same, and one is for more sensitive teeth. It comes with a travel-friendly USB charger. It doesn't take hardly any time to charge it up, and the charge lasts a very long time. About 30 days at 2 minutes a brush session. I love the black design with the blue and white bristles. And the bristles on the head have many different features on it. Take a look at those. That's why Dental Duty is the best. It's the way they've designed their head. It's not just a round rotating head. It's a specifically designed toothbrush head for the best in tooth care, according to today's research. Comment, let me know your teeth issues. There's something we want for the whole entirety of our lives, so it's really important to get this right. I love this brand. They make a lot of dental products, so check them out. Click link below to get your Dental Duty Sonic Electric Toothbrush. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of the next video. And I'm also on all other platforms where you like to hang out. So I don't know where you're watching this, but I'm glad you did. Let's keep making great recipes in life, like the real recipe on how to brush your teeth, so you keep them for your whole life long.